A system for grading the intensity of marbles. This system is different for systolic and diastolic murmurs. Systolic murmurs are divided into 6 grades based on the Levine score. In grade 1, the murmur sound is faint and barely audible. You have to listen carefully for a few seconds and search for it to be able to hear it. In grade 2, the murmur is still faint and weak, but you can hear it immediately. In grade 3, the intensity of the murmur is moderately loud. In stage 4, the murmur is loud and accompanied by a thrill. What is a trail? A thrill is the vibration you feel on the chest wall caused by the murmur. If you place your hand on the chest due to the turbulence from the murmur, you can clearly feel that vibration. What is the difference between a trail and a heave? A heave or lift means lifting, like a kick. That is when you place your hand on the chest because of the abnormalities in the heart. Your hand is lifted as if something inside is kicking it. Whereas a thrill means a vibration. It's like when you bend a water hose in the middle. The more you bend it, the greater the degree of narrowing. The turbulence of the water flow increases, and the thrill you feel under your hand becomes more pronounced. Grade 5. The intensity of the murmur is very loud, meaning that in addition to the presence of a thrill, you don't even need to place the stethoscope fully on the chest to hear the murmur. Even if you hold it vertically, so that only the edge of the stethoscope touches the skin, you can still hear the murmur. And finally, in grade 6, which is the most severe form, the murmur is very loud, accompanied by a thrill, and you don't even need a stethoscope to hear it. That means even if you hold the stethoscope away from the chest without touching the skin, you can still hear the murmur. Diastolic murmurs are less intense, which is why they are divided into 4 grades. In grade 1, they are barely audible. In grade 2, they are audible but soft. In grade 3, they are easily heard. And finally, in grade, which is the highest intensity, the murmur is loud.